Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 4 of 9. Arm. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name. Arm. Store it in the butterfly wall folder. Create a sketch. Select XY plane. Draw a circle from the sketch origin to a diameter of 113 mm. Similarly, draw another circle to a diameter of 87.5. Now start dimensioning this circle centers. Edit this dimension to 300 mm. Now draw two tangent lines. Select mirror, select single curve, select this line, select this center line, say OK. Now select trim, trim the outer portion of the arc. This completes the sketch for our base feature. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Enter the distance 12.5 mm. Select here value. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Select include. Include this arc. Draw a circle from the center. Similarly, draw another circle from the sketch origin to a diameter of 56 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Enter the distance 81.5. Select value. Select unite in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Similarly, create a sketch. Using the same XY plane. This time include this edge. Orient V2 sketch. Select the circle from this center to the included circle and draw one more circle from the center to a diameter of 44 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select the start value minus 31.5, end value 31.5. Say Boolean operation unite. Say OK. Hide the sketches. Now create a sketch on this face. Now select include the edge of the extrude. Draw a rectangle. Select make symmetry with respect to the horizontal line. Start dimensioning. This dimension to 32.3. Edit this dimension to 16 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select reverse direction. Starting value from 0. End value through all. Select Boolean operation subtract. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Orient to trimetry. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9 exercise 1 part 4 of 9 arm.